Alright, it's been a while, so I'll do a quick video of something I've had up and running for a while. This is sort of collision triggers. So there's two types of triggers that you can have. One is a plane. If I show the properties here. Yeah, it's a plane. So this just defines a plane in 3D space. So what'll happen is the character will go through this collision plane, which he can't really avoid since it's a plane, and then it'll call a script function called trigger1. So these triggers generate events that then you can custom program in a script and then have certain behaviors happen. I also have a bounded volume that you can modify the dimensions. So I'll just give an example. If I wanted to make him thin but only activated on a certain track, I could also do that, or I can change the height. And again, it would call the function trigger2 once the character went through the trigger volume. So I've just put a couple of them in the test level, so I'll show them in engine as the character goes around. And I've changed it in the actual game that I'll show. It just changes the color of the collision boxes for the trigger from red to yellow. So that's what I'll show next in the engine as the character goes through the triggers and detects the collision. Alright, here's the character in the world, and as you can see in the distance, one of the triggers. So I've pre-recorded this so that I can single step it so that you can see the character. Also, you can see his bounding box, which moves with the character. And here he hits one of the triggers. And as I said, it calls a script function that just turns the bounding box to yellow for the trigger. So there he goes. He hit it, and it just turned to yellow. So he just goes through, and that's what it does now. I haven't got any interesting functionality. So if he jumps, it still turned yellow. If I stop it, or white. I don't know, that's something with the recording. It's yellow on the iPhone. I'll have it play again. So here he is rolling. I'll single step it. And again, detected, so it called the script function just to turn the box yellow. And I think this is the final one. Oh, one more. Slow it down, and there he is, yellow. Now, of course, it's been a while since I did a video, and I've actually made a lot of progress. There's gameplay, and the whole collision system has been built that's very stable, and I can go upstairs, ramps, and avoid obstacles or hit them, and there's a lot of reactions based on what happens with the collisions. And I'll do that in the next video once I have some of the art assets finalized, so we can actually finally see some gameplay. And that'll probably be a much longer video where I show everything that I needed to do in order to set up collision detection for the game. It's already working here, but of course it's just a flat plane, but it is going through the collision system and the player controller. So that's probably what I'll be showing next. So again, like I said, it'll go from the very beginning, the rough stages, right till the final finished system that's up and running in the game. So that's what I'll have to show next time. So thanks, and bye.